Hey guys, welcome back to an episode of Joe's Garage. Today I'm going to go through some of the quintessential things that you should have in your C8 or any car if you're going to be on the road in case there's a hazard, a problem, you need to be defensive for yourself, or if something bad should happen. Let's go through some of the things that I recommend and that I keep in my C8 as well as all of my cars.
This is Joe's Garage.
All right, as you may have seen in my other episode of Joe's Garage, I've got this pack behind here where I keep a fire extinguisher, a trauma kit, I keep an air gauge, I keep a roll of duct tape, gloves, nitrile gloves, nitrile gloves, zip ties. I've got a chest wound thing, I've got tourniquets, I've got other stuff in there of that nature. I also keep in my door a very exclusive and very helpful knife, because you never know if you're going to need a knife, and if you need a knife, you're going to need a knife. I keep this in my door here. God forbid there's ever an instance where I need a knife, I've got a knife. And if I didn't mention it, always have a good supply of at least 14 or so inch zip ties. You never know when you're going to have to zip tie something, fix something, maybe even a person's wrist. I don't know. And I want to give you a little bit more explanation about this tire gauge. I spent a little extra money. I don't even remember how much this was, but it's a really good gauge. It gets really accurate. I mean, not just by pounds. It actually gets down to, I believe, the half pounds or quarter pounds. But what's nice about this is that it actually comes with a Schrader valve tool to tighten the Schrader valve that's in your valve stem. Why is this important? Well, I'll tell you. When I went to Sebring and I had to lower the pressure of my tires, and then when I left, increase the pressure of my tires, somehow that Schrader valve got a little bit loose to where it was just letting a little bit of air out. I kind of panicked and didn't realize what was going on here, and the guy goes, oh, you just got to tighten the Schrader valve. There's a tool here that you can literally put in there, tighten it slightly, it tightens down that Schrader valve, and if you do end up getting a leak because it's loose or moves, that will solve that problem. So have a good kit that either has the tool, and mine also has extra Schrader valves if your valve should happen to go bad. So just as a little tidbit, keep one of those. And I think I bought this on Amazon. This is a really good one. Eaton Wolf, I don't know. I like it. I wish it was a red case to go with the car, but it works really well. As you may be able to tell by my shirt, I keep one of those on me at all times because this is a crazy world. And if you're like me, I'd rather have it, not need it, than need it, not have it, and always stay protected for myself, for those I care about, and those who can't defend themselves. All right, let's talk about what's in the frunk. So in my frunk, I keep a couple things. Number one, I keep a little toolkit. It's got torque screws, mini sockets. Is this going to really help you if you need to do a whole lot? No, but it might help you in a pinch. I keep my Fantic X8 Apex tire air compressor to blow up my tires and get them where they need to be. It's also a battery charger and a flashlight. I have another one, because 2 is 1 and 1 is none, which also does the same thing, but this is also a battery jumper. So should my battery die, this is it gives me the ability to charge accessories, phones, tablets, things, but it also gives you the ability to jump start your battery, which is under there, and if that dies, that can help you out. Now in my trunk, I've got gear in here from stuff I do, etc. But I always keep a bottle of this, my G-Technique Quick Detailer. If a bird poops on your car, this gets it off immediately. If bugs are making a mess, gets it off immediately before it eats away at your paint, as well as a bunch of microfiber towels, just in case you have to wipe something down, even if it's just your windshield, and that keeps things clean and from ruining your car. All right, guys, so that's the quintessential list of things that every C8 car owner or any other car should have in their car to keep you safe in case there's a problem, make sure your car stays in good shape, and making sure that everything stays the way it should, the way it was designed, and keep you safe. That's all for now. Thanks for watching Joe's Garage. Like, share, subscribe. Stay tuned for more great content. I love and appreciate all you guys. I keep a roll of... Whoa. All right, let's talk about what's, damn it, before it could eat away at your paint, before it eats away at your paint. So those are the quintessential things that I think every car, as well as every C8 owner, should have. Oh, and before you freak out about things being on the car, I have PPF. It's safe, it's okay.
This is Joe's Garage.